Unlock seamless online payments for your Shopify store by integrating Stripe, the highly acclaimed and dependable gateway that effortlessly handles secure transactions. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Locate and click on Settings, typically found in the bottom left corner of your dashboard. Within the Settings menu, select the Payments tab. This is where all your store's payment provider configurations are managed. Scroll down to the Payment Providers section. You'll see a list of available providers. Find and click on the Stripe option. If you possess an existing Stripe account, you will be prompted to log in using your Stripe credentials. Should you lack an account, you will need to create one, a process that requires providing essential business information. Adhere to the on-screen instructions to establish the connection between your Shopify store and your Stripe account. This typically involves verifying your business and banking details for payouts. It is imperative to thoroughly review and accept Stripe's terms of service to finalize the integration. Upon confirmation, Stripe will be activated as your primary payment gateway. You can now conduct a small test purchase to verify that your setup is functioning optimally. Congratulations! You have successfully integrated Stripe and are ready to accept secure payments.